If you're starting a business and don't want to hire a designer or spend hours picking from a pile of generic templates, I found an AI platform that builds your entire brand, logo, website, business cards, social posts in minutes. This is Design.com, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works.
Design.com isn't just a logo maker, it's a full AI design platform. Its AI is custom trained to generate original, commercially safe logos and designs, not recycled stock graphics. And once you have a logo, that same AI carries your brand across your website, business cards, social content, and more, all from one place.
I'll type in my business name and describe the vibe I want. Example prompt: I want a logo for my restaurant called The Golden Fork Gourmet Dining. Please include restaurant-related elements like a fork, spoon, chef hat, plate, flame, or food icon. Use warm, inviting colors such as red, orange, black, or gold to create a professional and memorable restaurant brand. Quick tip: use a business name that's a bit longer, ideally 2 words or more. That way the logo looks complete instead of showing a placeholder line underneath. And just like that, the AI has generated a full set of logo options based on my name, my industry, and my prompt. I didn't have to touch fonts, colors, or layouts myself. I'm going with this one. It's clean, it fits the brand, and honestly, it already looks ready to use as is. Now here's the part that really sets Design.com apart: AI editing. Instead of dragging and adjusting elements yourself, you just type what you want changed. Here's my logo before any changes. Type prompt: add a spoon. And here's the result after one prompt. The AI understood exactly what I meant and applied it instantly. No manual dragging, no design skills needed. One tip if you're trying this yourself: be specific. Instead of saying, make it more modern, say exactly what you want added or changed. That's when the AI performs best. Once I'm happy with the design, I hit download to lock it in and unlock the rest of the platform, including the design tools we're about to look at.
This is where Design.com goes way beyond just a logo tool. With one click, every design here automatically inherits my logo's colors and branding. I'll create a business card. And look, it's already using my brand colors, fonts, and logo, generated automatically. I could just as easily build a full website or Instagram post the exact same way, all inside the same platform. That's the real value here. One AI system handling your entire brand, not just a single logo. In just a few minutes, I went from a text prompt to a complete brand identity, logo, business card, and more, all powered by AI and all ready to use immediately. If you're launching a business or a channel and want a professional brand without the design headache, I'll drop the link to Design.com below. Try it out and let me know what logo you end up with in the comments.